symphony, the one that can fill your fantasies. So come, baby girl, let's sing with me. I can be your man.
Sa henne aldrig.
Nej.
He's pretty good. I've seen yours. No, not that one. Yeah, there we go. Now he's got the right one. Back to me. Straight in the pocket as well. Thank you.
Ну ты отрыгни. Nossa, essas coisas que tem na boca.
Ai, Deus.
Tô fumando. Mentira. Dá medo.
A lot to say today.
Why did he do this?
It's just from fighting. Devils are always fighting, so they injure each other. So on the face, but also this one is missing. Some fingers have been bitten off. So just from fighting with each other. They're very
okay.
aggressive.
Yeah.
They're very easy to feed. They eat meat, but they're not very good hunters. They look for something dead. It can be fish, it can be birds, it can be kangaroo, any kind of animal. And as you'll see with these two, they eat everything. They eat the bone, they eat the fur, they eat the claws, all of the carcass. So they can clean up a whole animal very easily. Very strong jaws. They can eat even the big bones. And we give them chicken, rabbit. You can come and feed one if you like.
Aqui sim eles pulam. Ah, esse pequenininho, que bonitinho.
They just eat right from your hand.
Peraí. Olha aqui, olha aqui.
Acabou.
Here, standing here, the pouch is hanging underneath. Yeah, and sometimes it moves inside, maybe this big. Then they get too big, and even one like this will still be drinking from the mother, so it puts its head inside the pouch to drink, but it's too big to go back inside. So until they're 1.5 years, they still drink from their mother. They're too big to go inside.
So they drink from any female, or they drink
Just from their mother.
From their mother? pregnant to give birth, for example, in Spain?
Yeah, usually they give birth in the autumn, in about March or April, and then the babies are inside the pouch through the winter while it's cold, and then they come out in the spring.
And
Olha que bonitinho.
Just
kangaroo
one.
baby?
Sometimes two, very rare, but it's mostly just one. Like this, yeah. Occasionally twins, but most of the time just one.
Claro que não dá soluço.
Agora pra gente sair. A gente pode parar aí, não pode não?
Chiquito.
Eles gostaram que canta pra ele.
Eu acho que eu perco medo desses patos.
Tem medo de pato?
Tenho. Principalmente de ganso.
Vai ali com o tio, vai com o tio, vai com o tio. Vai com o tio, vai com o tio.
Ah, tá quietinho, não vai assustar ele.
Eu vou te dar uma bicada.
Olha lá, assustou o bichinho.
Não, eu nem mexi com esse aí.
Bela ponta.
Tá
Bonito.
tirando sarro ou tá falando sério?
Não.
Bom, estamos tentando encher
Como que abriu?
o carro.
Tem um negócio aí.
É, o Renato conseguiu abrir. Chiquito!
Chiquito frentista, Chiquito. Dá um tchauzinho aí, Chiquito frentista.
Não, tchauzinho. A gente tá perto de Norfolk, né? Sei lá onde está. Norfolk.
Isso aí.
Tentando, né? Enfim.